focus remains in Mumbai, where actor Salman Khan has managed a massive relief from the Bombay High Court. The actor's 5-year sentence in the 2002 hit-and-run case now stands suspended. Judge Tipsy of Bombay High Court also granted bail to the actor. Salman Khan will now be required to surrender in the Sessions Court and furnish a bail bond of 30,000 rupees. The actor has been asked to submit his passport as well. The prosecution received a jolt when the defense successfully punched holes in its theory. Salman managed to get bail after the defense questioned why key witness Kamal Khan was not examined during the trial. The defense also questioned the version of the sole witness, deceased police constable Ravindra Patil, describing him as an unwilling witness who ran away after testifying. The prosecution during its argument maintained that Kamal Khan was a British citizen and hence could not be questioned. And while we tell you, of course, details about this hearing, let us also remind you that Salman Khan is expected, in fact, to reach a Sessions Court anytime now. Those visuals playing out on your television screens. We are tracking Salman Khan's movement closely, and wherever he is going, in fact, there's a motorcade of followers as well that can be seen following Salman Khan. Fans and families, of course, who are right now celebrating this massive relief to Salman Khan. So the prosecution also maintained that Salman Khan owned the SUV and alcohol was found in his blood sample. The judge, however, was not impressed and claimed that one cannot be in jail while his appeal is pending before the court. The bail and suspension of the sentence left the Khan family in tears of joy. Even as jubilant fans celebrated outside the Khan household in suburban Bandra. Let's cut across live to Kamlesh Sutar, who is at that Sessions Court where Salman Khan is expected to reach shortly. We are being told, in fact, that Salman Khan has already left, and those visuals playing out on your TV screens are, in fact, of Salman Khan's vehicle, which is now headed to Sessions Court. Kamlesh, take us through what are we expecting now once Salman Khan reaches at the Sessions Court. Kamlesh, can you hear me? It looks like there's an audio glitch there. We will try and cut across. But actor Raza Murad also, in fact, is on joining us now. Mr. Raza Murad, could we have your first reactions, please, on the suspension in fact, the massive relief that Salman Khan has got in the Bombay High Court?
First of all, I would like to salute the judiciary, the court of law, who have granted him the bail which he deserved. And as I was telling earlier also, that he is not a criminal, he is not anti-national, he is not anti-social person. So I'm very touched by this judgment of the Honorable High Court.
Right.
That he got the justice from the High Court, but whatever had happened is called culpable homicide not amounting to murder. That means whatever had happened was not intentional, it was unintentional. So it was not a cold-blooded murder.
So, but at the end of the day, there was one person who lost his life. There were 3 others injured. And in all these 13 years, we were speaking to them. They have received support of around 1,80,000 rupees. Does that really compensate for what is lost?
No, whatever you're saying, I totally agree with you. Some people have lost their lives. Some have become, absolutely vegetable after that incident. I can very well understand their plight and their feelings. So I'm very much hopeful that whatever he can do for them, he can wipe their tears. He would definitely do it, because he does it with people whom he doesn't know, like spastic children, underprivileged, sick people. He always helps them.
So you are convinced that that part of Salman Khan is a true part. It's not a facade. It's not a PR skill. And when Mr. Satyapal Singh, who is a former Mumbai Police Commissioner, says that this sends out a message that there is no justice for the poor in this country.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
What I am saying is, let the court decide. We are nobody to decide whether he is guilty or he is not guilty. Let the court decide.
Right.
The lower court has sentenced him, and he is going to move to the bigger court, that is the higher court. So let them decide who is right or who is wrong.
Right, sir.
And as I told you, I would like to repeat that once again, that it was, we say in Hindi, ke ghair iradatan hatya. Whatever was happened was totally unintentional. In our country, you know, people get bail in the bomb blast case, people get bail in Gujarat where, you know, 95 people were massacred. They also got bail.
No, sir, nobody is opposing the bail. It is the... Sir, nobody is opposing the bail. It is the suspension of sentence.
Nothing in front of those
Sir, nobody is opposing bail. Mr. Murad, every individual has a right to bail here. It's the suspension of sentence that is being questioned.
People who are involved, they also got bail.
Sir, I get your sentiment, and I'm repeating, in fact, that nobody is opposed to the idea of an individual getting bail, which is his legal right. What everybody is questioning is the suspension of sentence. And, you know, somebody like a former Mumbai police commissioner says that this perhaps send out a message that there is no justice for the poor in this country. But thank you.
We want to say that if the High Court, the Honorable High Court has granted him bail, are they influenced with the status symbol of Salman Khan? Do you want to say that?
Well, we are not saying that, but
whatever High Court has done is done totally within the framework of the judicial law of this country.
Right, sir.
So please do not protest against the judgment. The judgment is given by the Honorable High Court, and we are nobody to protest against that judgment.
Right, sir. But there are, of course, people with different views on that. Thank you so much, Mr. Raza Murad, actor, for joining us, of course, with those thoughts. Mr. Raza Murad thinks this is a very well-deserved, in fact, verdict, relief for Salman Khan. Let's cut across live to Shilpa Ratnam, my colleague, who joins us from Bandra outside Salman Khan's residence. Shilpa, how long is, how much time does it really take from Salman Khan's residence to reach the Sessions Court? And when Salman Khan left for court, was he being followed by like family and fans and a lot of other people as well?
Well, his fans were overjoyed to see him leave. They got a glimpse of their favorite star. They'd all come here just for that one glimpse. Of course, they thought that they'd be witnessing him, on the way to jail. But now they're really happy that, the sentence has been suspended. As for family, no, family hasn't accompanied him yet. They'll expect to leave shortly. But it takes about 40 minutes to get to get to the High Court from here. So Salman Khan should be well on his way and should be reaching there shortly. In fact, I have with me here a few overjoyed fans who, in fact, got a glimpse of Salman Khan as he was leaving and who are actually very happy with the suspension of the sentence. आपको कैसा आपने देखा सलमान खान को जाते हुए तो आपको क्या लगता है कि ये जो सजा है वो उनको अब बेल मिला है तो कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है और ये सुन के उसके लिए पूरे हिंदुस्तान दुआ कर रहे थे कि शायद उनके साथ इंसाफ हो और वो हुआ है और अभी जो होगा आगे जो होगा उसके लिए बहुत बेहतर होगा। सलमान खान अभी निकले, हमने उनको देखा, थोड़ा टेंशन में थे, बट ये सुन के उनको खुशी होगी कि अभी उनके लिए राहत की बात है।
भाई ने कितने गरीबों की मदद की, उनको कैसे सजा कैसे हो सकती है इतने गरीबों की मदद, जब भी कोई पूछने नहीं आया। अभी एक एक्सीडेंट हो गया, पूरी दुनिया उसके पीछे कि सजा चाहिए बेल चाहिए, बेल के बदले भाई को बेल मिली, यही बहुत खुशी की बात है।
Asmita, as you can see, we have a lot of sympathizers here for the superstar.
Shilpa, interestingly, this person that you were just speaking to, who said कि भाई ने सबकी मदद की, that Salman Khan really helped anyone. To those common people on the streets who are Salman Khan fans, what is the perception that they have? How has Salman Khan really reached out to society, to sections of society and helped them, if you can get a sense from them?
Yes, about 5 years ago, it seemed like Salman Khan had turned over a new leaf. There was this charitable organization, Being Human, that he had started, and it was all over the media, and also the kind of films that he was choosing portrayed him in a kind of savior of the poor, in Robin Hood kind of roles, and the public has been influenced by his on-screen persona and also by the charitable work that he's done. In fact, his Being Human brand is extremely popular, and also right now the image that he has is of a large-hearted, generous and charitable person, and they in fact feel that the the amount of charity that he's done should be enough for him to be pardoned in this accident case.
Shilpa, also, you know, if you could ask your camera person, I assume that there would be, in fact, dozens of media units standing there, so perhaps all of you are jostling for space. But if your camera person could slightly zoom out or pan out and try and show what is the crowd like, and also get a sense from these people that at the end of the day, the victims were really people from lower strata, you know, from where these fans also belong to. These are not people coming from higher stratas. Completely, and as you can see, the crowd here that we have is of a similar nature, but their sympathy lies solely with Salman Khan. In fact, this gentleman here, who I was earlier speaking to, was of the view that people shouldn't be sleeping on the pavement, and that it was the government's fault, in fact, and not Salman Khan's. Let me just ask him that again. जब वो एक्सीडेंट हुई और वो लोग वहाँ पे सो रहे थे, उनकी गलती थोड़ी ना थी कि उनके ऊपर वो कार
बराबर है, उनकी गलती नहीं थी। अगर इस टाइम पे सलमान खान जेल अगर चले जाते तो उसके पीछे जितने बच्चों की जिंदगी वो उनको जिंदगी दे रहे हैं, फिर उनका क्या होगा? एक के बदले में अगर सलमान खान जेल है तो जो जितने को पाल रहे हैं फिर उसके लिए टेंशन है। तो इसलिए उन सारे बच्चों की भी दुआ है और पूरे हिंदुस्तान की दुआ है कि जो भी हुआ है अच्छे के लिए हुआ है इस चीज़ के लिए, और बाकी जो गरीब जहाँ सोते हैं उनके लिए सरकार इस चीज़ के बारे में सोचे, हम हो सकते हैं हमारे लिए भी सोचे इस चीज़ के बारे में कि जो करे अच्छा करे।
Right. So
yes, Shilpa.
वो भी इंसान है, चाहे स्टार हो, हम लोग के मान।
Yes, and as you can see, they're calling it a mistake, Smita. Those are the words that they're using here.
Well, clearly, this is, of course, an event, an incident that has evoked various responses, very differing reactions, in fact. Let's try and now get a word from Kamlesh Sutar. I believe he has joined us now from the Sessions Court. Kamlesh, if you can hear me, what do you hear? How far has Salman Khan really reached? How much time before he is there at the Sessions Court?
Well, Smita, Salman is expected at the Session Court any moment. He will arrive at the Session Court from gate number 3 where I'm standing right now. This is the same gate from where Salman had arrived on the day of judgment at the Session Court. And as you can see, if my camera person can show you, there's already a huge posse of policemen outside the Session Court. Also, a large number of Salman Khan fans have started reaching as soon as the action shifted from the Bombay High Court to the Sessions Court. Salman Khan fans too have gathered outside gate number 3. Salman Khan would be reaching here any moment. The last update that we had from Salman was across Marine Drive, which would take another 5 to 10 minutes for him to reach the Session Court. And once he reaches, he'll go straight away to the court of Justice Deshpande, and from for where he will be furnishing a bail bond of 30,000 rupees and seeking a fresh bail. So all action here at
Kamlesh, I'm afraid we've lost that audio connect there. There seems to be some problem, possibly, remember, because our correspondent, in fact, is using those cordless gun mics, and when you have high security around you, sometimes jammers could be put in, sometimes there are radio signals that hamper, and that's why the technical glitch. But as Kamlesh was saying, he is standing, in fact, at gate number 3 from where Salman Khan had entered earlier to, remember, yesterday, and, you know, all those, of course, dramatic visuals that have been continuously playing out from Bandra to Sessions Court to the Bombay High Court over the last 48 hours, with fans of Salman Khan literally, of course, following him to express their solidarity. It's the visual of his car, really, though, as Shilpa was mentioning, that his family is not accompanying him at the moment. Now, when he's expected to reach Sessions Court, the distance between Salman Khan's Bandra residence to the Sessions Court is estimated at almost 40 minutes. Surprisingly, if you look at the visuals, the roads seem, of course, pretty empty today compared to the Mumbai traffic standards. Okay, and of course, those various, those mixed reactions, in fact, coming in, but more or less, as far as Bollywood is concerned, most of the people happy or relieved that Salman Khan's sentence has been suspended. Let's listen in to a host of celebrities like Nagma and singer Abhijit that we spoke to a short while ago.
I think that we all believe in the justice system, and he's taking the course of law, and I'm sure that, the truth will prevail, and as a human being, you can make a mistake, and there can be no, no kind of a payment back to some life that is gone. Life is lost in this whole thing, and we all feel very grieved about it. And we do, our hearts do go out to the victims, but the victims themselves don't want him to get jailed. They want compensation, and I guess he's not been able to do anything as of till now for them, because he's not been allowed by the court, because that would seem like, you know, he's been he's influencing the case, or he's bribing them,
right.
or it was given to the court, and I think the court should have handed over the money for compensation to the victims, and that is yet to be seen. But on the other side, if you see, he's a great human being.
We believe in the Indian judiciary, and that's all about it. And I feel what we have full trust in the Indian judicial system. Whatever there in a judicial system, it's not seen whether it is Salman or A or B. It is what the law states. And so whatever relief he has got, it has got according to law. That's what I believe in.
मेरे में ये प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि मैं हर एक को अपना समझ लेता हूँ, बहुत क्लोज समझ लेता हूँ. So that was I will not say कि Salman has done nothing. He is निर्दोष and the victim वालों की गलती है. I am happy that एक परिवार ruin हुआ है. One family is almost finished. I am happy that second family, one more family, उसके कितने generations हैं, they थोड़ा सा उनको राहत मिला है and थोड़ा सा बच गए ruined होने से. उसके बाद खुदा जो भी करेगा वो होगा, and I have full faith in our judiciary system.
I am very happy.
Right.
He's on bail now. This is an accident which happened, right? No, nobody did it purposely. The accident has not taken place. Somebody has done it purposely to kill someone. It is an accident. So, like this, so many accidents take place all over the country. He has received the punishment. If he has done something wrong, then definitely he should be punished. Of course, he should be punished if he has done mistakes. But at the moment, I am very happy. He is doesn't have to go through these things right now.
Right.
It is only because of all his fans and well-wishers, good wishes, that he's on bail now.
Well, of course, most of Salman Khan's colleagues who are from Bollywood, who are related to Bollywood, but might be into different professions, including politics, as of now, of course, seem to be welcoming this Bombay High Court verdict. But meanwhile, former Mumbai Commissioner Satyapal Singh is disappointed with the verdict. He said that it is difficult for poor people in India to get justice.
पैसे वाले लोग, जिनके रसूख हैं, वे लोग, उनको जो है अंत में अंतिम रूप से सजा मिलना बड़ा कठिन काम है. हमारे देश के जो डिफेंस काउंसिल हैं, एडवोकेट लोग हैं, उन लोगों ने इस तरह की एक स्ट्रेटजी को बिल्कुल पेटेंट किया हुआ है, कहना चाहिए, कि किसी भी कोर्ट का जजमेंट को, निर्णय को फाइनल नहीं मानना, अंतिम नहीं मानना.
Well, of course, we also spoke headlines today. In fact, spoke to Pradeep Behra, the public prosecutor. Let's listen to what he had to say.
हमारे साथ इस वक्त है सरकारी वकील प्रदीप घरत, जिन्होंने पूरा केस चलाया था. सर, आज आप हाई कोर्ट में थे, क्या क्या कहा गया सलमान को बेल दिलवाने के लिए?
सलमान को बेल दिलवाने के लिए उनकी जो बहस सेशंस कोर्ट में थी, वही उन्होंने आज रिपीट की. और जो जब तक बेल का ताल्लुक है, न्यायालय ने कहा कि उनको 5 साल की सजा है, तो सजा और बाकी जो न्यायालय की प्रोसीजर है, उसके तहत उन्हें आज बेल दिया जाता है. और जो कुछ आर्ग्यूमेंट है दोनों पक्ष की, और ये जो पॉइंट है पर्टिकुलरली, अगर ये एक्सीडेंट है या इसमें उनको नॉलेज एट्रीब्यूट किया है, इसमें जो अपील में चैलेंज दिया है, वो सब फाइनल हियरिंग के वक्त ही सुना जाएगा. और दोनों पक्षों के सम्मति से अभी फाइनल हियरिंग के लिए जुलाई में डेट फिक्स, जुलाई में हियरिंग होगी.
ने क्या कहा, क्यों उनका बेल खारिज होना चाहिए?
सरकारी पक्ष ने, जो सरकारी वकील साहब थे, उन्होंने बहुत स्ट्रांग ऑब्जेक्शन ले लिया. लेकिन जो प्रोसीजर है उसके मुताबिक अगर आरोपी बेल पे थे, उन्होंने कोई बेल का जो कंडीशन था उसका वायोलेशन नहीं किया था. इस बात को ध्यान लेते हुए और क्वांटम ऑफ सेंटेंस 5 साल की, इन बातों को ध्यान में लेते हुए माननीय उच्च न्यायालय ने उनको जमानत दे दी है.
Also, the public prosecutor there, in fact, Pradeep Gharat, remember, he also gave a reply to Salman Khan's lawyer on that theory of the fourth person, saying that that was only introduced when the defense witness, which is Ashok Singh, came up. So clearly, this is a moment of massive relief, not just for Salman Khan, but of course for the lakhs of his fans across India who have come out in support. The question definitely though is being asked, is Salman Khan being handed out a much easier, in fact, punishment just because he is a celebrity? There you can see in those visuals, Anu Malik, in fact, music composer, waving goodbye to Salman Khan as he, of course, sat in that vehicle. He was hounded by media persons, to police personnel, of course, trying to keep the situation calm there, with fans mobbing his car as he left his Bandra residence for the Sessions Court.